Today we're talking about sharpening a brush hook. We need to do a job site analysis. Okay, what we're going to need in the way of PPE, we're going to need some glasses, we're going to need some gloves, we're going to need a file, and we're going to need to be careful. So, but before we put those on, now we need to protect the handle, and to do that we're going to wrap it up. Do the vise, gloves on, get our glasses and our file. Now we concentrate, we don't smoke, we don't talk to someone, we look at what we're doing. Nice easy strokes. Okay, now that we've sharpened our brush hook, we're going to go and clear a line, and we've got our safety glasses on, we've got a head on for protection, we've got sunscreen, and we've got our gloves on, most important.